Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the OnePlus logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And once you see the OnePlus logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And once you see the watch face of your watch, this means that the reboot is complete. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.